On the Coronation bank holiday, I set out to do some creative route plotting. The Strava Art part started at Foss Park. I wore my red, white and blue British cycling top and special socks, but they were all hidden under my waterproof and overshoes. I set off early and it was dull, but at this point it wasn't raining. It started raining about 8 miles in, but only lightly. A lot of the start of my route, to form the outline of the crown, was on shared use paths around the north of Leicester. 20 miles of my crown route done, and I've just stopped for a banana in Oadby. I carried on past Knighton Park and along Saw Valley Way to finish the base of my crown. I then used the path to get up to the top of the bridge. That is the outline done. Now 35 miles of adding the detail, and I've just gone over the bridge and I went down there this morning, right at the start. I then cut through Ayleston playing fields, which slowed my route down a bit because I was walking, but it was also very beautiful and peaceful. I'm just taking a cut through the playing fields, and my feet were kind of wet before because it's raining, but now they really are soaked because it's so muddy here. But this is the best route, really. Make sure it looks like what it's meant to. So yeah, and it's really pretty here. Fields and mini wetland. So yeah. And then I'll get riding in a minute. Hit the road on the other side. Start zigzagging again. Stopped in Victoria Park for some flapjack and some hula hoops. And then I stopped on the way out of Victoria Park at the traffic lights. I didn't realise there were traffic lights the first time I rode through here, but then it joins up with the bike path. I didn't notice this road would be closed when I checked for roadworks when planning, but luckily there was a parallel road and it didn't ruin the whole ride. Whilst I spent a lot of the morning on the old shared use paths. I spent a lot of the second half on the newer stuff, which was really nice and guaranteed to be a lot smoother. I passed the miniature railway in Abbey Park, which was nice because I used to go there when I was little. And then I missed the turning of where I wanted to go. I don't like having my Garmin beep at me, so I rely on looking down at the map and knowing where I want to get to. And then, after a lot of urban zigzagging, my route was almost complete. Overall, I had a really lovely day out on my bike, even though it was slightly damp. I really enjoyed it. Sometimes it's nice to just take it slow and not worry about the speed, and go on roads close to home that I've never been down before and see pretty places. And with that, the crown is done. I just have to ride a couple more miles to get home. And this is what it looked like. Definitely looked a lot better coloured in. And I even got a few crowns of my own.